I've seen the Teams menu along the left-hand side, but
Mm-hmm.
what is a team inside of Microsoft Teams?
Right, so you use the Teams menu inside Microsoft Teams to get to your teams, which can be a little confusing, but let me kind of show you what it means. Inside Microsoft Teams, your team is a fundamental group of work. It's a group of people with a purpose. So anytime you're going to be collaborating with a specific group of colleagues on a specific project, maybe it's a specific task, maybe it's a specific department, maybe it's a specific location. So all of you in the New York office, for example. Anytime you have a group of people that are related for a certain purpose, that's an opportunity to have a new team. You can see here in my Microsoft Teams, I'm a member of several different teams. Sales and marketing, SOC team, there's a digital initiative public relations team, a retail team, and so on.
So I noticed that some of the teams are bold. Are they more important to you?
Well, it's not that they're more important, and a lot of these are not teams. So for example, General and NC 460, those are channels that are underneath the retail team. Sales West is also a channel. Contoso Marketing is a team. But what that's telling me is that there's something inside that channel or inside that team that hasn't been read yet. So it's letting me know I have unread messages, basically.
So what's the difference between a team and a channel?
Sure, great question. So every team has channels underneath it. If a team is a group of people with a purpose, then a channel is one topic of conversation that team is talking about or working on. So for example, in this monthly reports channel under the sales and marketing team, I've got some conversations related to the monthly reports topic coming from different people. I've also got a files section. You see we have these tabs across the top. Posts is the conversation section. Files is where any files this team is working on, collaborating on, they would all be stored here in the files section, and they're accessible by everybody on that team from that channel. There's also a section for a wiki. Now, Posts, Files, and Wiki are the three default tabs that every channel starts with. Wiki doesn't get used that often, to be honest. So in this case, there's nothing in the wiki. But if those three are the default, after that, you can add as many tabs as you want to, and each tab can be different things. So for example, if I click on this plus button over here, you can see all the different types of tabs that I can add.
So I see that the monthly report channel has a sales report tab. What is that?
Yeah, exactly. So this is one that somebody's added. In this particular case, this happens to be a Power BI dashboard. So this is a place where they can see a dashboard view of all their monthly reports. Now that's going to be different for each channel. So for example, if I go in the general channel under sales and marketing, again I have Post, Files, and Wiki, and then I have something called product launch event, and this happens to be a planner board. So this is for task management within that team. If I click down here to this retail team and in the NC 460 sales channel, it only has Post, Files, and Wiki, so it only has the defaults. Now, every team is going to start off with just one channel, and it's that general channel. For small teams, that may be all you need. But as you add more channels, the general channel has some special features. So for example, you might want to have different topics of conversation in other channels that you add, but leave the general channel for special announcements or words from management and that sort of thing. And the general channel has special features that let you do that. How you add channels, what channels you add, all of that is customizable for each team. And inside each team, you can customize and add however many tabs you need to accomplish the purpose of that channel. It's really like building your own office. You're building a work environment where you and your online colleagues can get the work done that you need to get done.
Chip, let me make sure I have this right.
Okay?
A team is a group of people working on a particular project or purpose.
Yes.
And then a channel within that team is an area to talk about a specific topic.
Exactly, yes. Channels are where all the work gets done. So in the next lesson, let's take a look at what you can actually do inside those channels.